This video is about getting the gas tank back in my 1972 SuperBeetle before I get the suspension all put back together. Coming up soon, we'll have a video about AirVenture Oshkosh Notum. I hope you enjoy.
Giving the tank one last rinse before putting it in the car. Never ever apply heat to a gas tank that you haven't filled with water a couple of times to drive out all the fumes. You can see how the tank sort of funnels down to this narrow area at the bottom. And that area in turn sort of funnels into a narrow area at the center.
This piece is a sump, and then within that, this piece is a sump. The pickup is right there, and the pickup hose goes out, and then that's the outlet hose. That was a fight, but the pickup sock is on the pickup tube, and hopefully I will never see this view again. Here's where the tank sits. The sump goes right there. The intention is that the outlet hose goes there. I was never able to get the hose to be there without kinking. I run the hose out here and down through this hole into the body. Good German 5mm fuel hose. So I'm going to make new fuel lines out of this.
Here I'm making gaskets for the main tank sump plug and also the filler neck breather fitting and installing new outlet hose. And the sump plug with its gasket. The level sender unit with the double arms that goes in the SuperBeetle is particularly tricky to get installed.
The sender is in place. The sump stuff is in place. That's the fuel pipe.
The car sat for a few years, so I was worried about junk in the fuel line, so here I'm blowing out the fuel line that runs through the body.
Not much. There was a little gasoline in there, but not much and not bad, and there's not a lot of crud. Yeah, that's gasoline. There's no debris, there's no dirt. Oh, that's so good. Ugh. Let's not shear off any important cables or wires or hoses or anything. Okay, and now I fed that hose through there, and so now it will come out down and I can put it into the central tunnel. And there's a little clamp. The gas tank is in, the suspension is next. Subscribe to my channel to see more interesting aircraft and Volkswagen videos. Work on your vehicles if you can, and never stop figuring stuff out.